So, in today's video, I want to share with you why English learning is so important in today's time. Because in such a way, lots of people they are want to try to speak English because of the one of the reason I am telling you in this video. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal Tajne, and today's video I want to tell you the main reason of this situation. Okay, so the first meaningful reason is the job. If you want a good job, if you want to get the any kind of job, so that's why you have to learn English language, because you don't have much English, you don't have a specific English language, so you are not able to get job, to get a simple job, because the competition is very high level in today's time. So that's why the English is the most common thing, which is if you have to learn English. Okay, not only simple English, because this situation, this time is literally advanced level. Okay, in such a time if you have English, so don't worry, you are able to speak English very easily, you are able to get a job very easily. But you don't have English language, so now if you have to learn English language, because English language is necessary thing, and you don't have English language, so no worries, because in this video I'm going to share with you the most particular thing that can help to improve your English very easily. Okay, so yesterday I had purchased three kind of books that can, this is that can help to improve English very fast. The first book is The Art of Laziness. First book, The Art of Laziness. And the second book is The Art of Overthinking. Second book, The Art of Overthinking. And third book is The Art of Being Alone. Like this. The three different type of book I had purchased yesterday. Okay, and the simple book. Okay, like the very simple book. Like no any kind of vocabulary is advanced level and not like middle level. It is simple vocabulary included in this such as book. Okay, so firstly you have to read English, read and read, because reading is literally important to improve English. You don't have in English language, you don't have any knowledge to improve English, so start today from a zero level to English. Okay, because this book is help to improve English very faster than usual. Okay, so this such book like very important to improve English, I would say, in my opinion, because yesterday I read the book of The Art of Laziness like this, and second book is The Art of Overthinking, like this second book. And this is like very simple English, you can easily read. Okay, so you are beginners, like you are beginner, you don't have any language, any knowledge of this language, so you can easily read this language, read this book in the simple language. Okay, because this is the reality in the world, this is reality of the market. You don't have English language, so you don't able to get any kind of job, any such kind of job. This is a reality, and I am trying to improve again my language, that means advanced level. Okay, because English is the necessary thing for us, for beginners like this. Okay, so you are the beginners, so start now, start now. And one thing I want to share with you, because in 2025 I had start my English journey before 6 or 7 months ago, and I had read like three or as much three and a half book in 2025. But I want to learn in lots of books, so many books read in 2026. So this book helped me to gain lots of knowledge, lots of such kind of thing to understand me. And in the three different type of book, this is helped me to gain a knowledge, to improve my personality, to gain a different type of something, like including this another type of book. Okay, so you are doing to improve English, you are doing to like something different, so you have to learn English in the book. Like one of the best, like another option is reading. Reading is so important thing to improve English very fast. Okay, so you have to read English very necessarily. Okay, and along with that, you are trying to read English every day, so you have to speak English with other people, as much as you have to watch any kind of content related English and whatever something. So this is the simple thing you have to learn to improve English. And you are the beginner, or you don't have any kind of knowledge English, so you can watch my previous video on my channel. I already make lots of video, and like any funny video like this you can easily watch. Okay, and in the simple meaning I want to say that you have to learn English is a necessary. Okay, so if you like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. And again I want to share you, English is the necessary thing, so you have to learn English. And again one thing, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because you are watching this video, someone watching this video very first time, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Then keep learning and keep exploring, and thank you.